Namaste, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mona. I hope you all are doing well. First of all, Happy New Year. I wish good health and wealth for you and your family. And also, my YouTube channel turned 1 year old, and it's all because of you guys and your support, which fueled me up to make videos and upload it for you guys. Having said that, in today's video, we are going to review about this product. So if you are interested, keep on watching. So without any further ado, let's get started. This is from the Faceshop, and which is the Faceshop's Brightening Expert Kit. So which includes a face wash, toner, serum and moisturizer. Basically, this kit includes our skincare routine products. So let's begin with face wash, which is rice water brightening foaming cleanser. It has nice creamy texture like Fair and Lovely. And it exactly smells like pink Johnson baby soap. If you ever smelled it, it exactly smells like that. After washing, my face looks and feels fresh and not dry. So next up, White Seed Brightening Toner. This is little bit thick than water consistency. And smells amazing. So our next product is White Seed Brightening Serum. It has nice thick consistency. And serum absorbs into your skin fast. And final step is moisturizer, which is White Seed Brightening Lotion, which has really thick consistency. However, right after rubbing moisturizer between your fingers, it will be watery, and that will help the moisturizer to easily penetrate into your skin. So basically, in this kit, only face wash is from rice water variant, and rest all three goodies, which is moisturizer, serum and toner, is from White Seed Brightening Kit. So the major perk in this kit is this makeup pouch, which can be usable, and this product will be empty soon, but this bag will come handy when you're traveling. So this, and my favorite product from the Faceshop is their sheet masks. Their sheet masks come in different variants and it's so good, so I love them. Coming to these products, I don't have a problem with face wash. It's actually good, and these are also good if you use all these together, but I don't know why, it may be coincidence or what, but if I use this toner and use any other moisturizer or sunscreen, it is reacting, I mean I'm breaking out, so I don't know, but these three itself is a good like skincare set. Basically, as the Faceshop is a South Korean skincare brand, it actually works well and it's really good skincare products. And yeah, buy mini so that you can try whether it suits your skin or not. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you liked the video. If so, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all the good things you can do to support me. Until next time, stick around. Bye.